I don't think I found gold, but I might just have found gold. By the way, this is Wednesday after work. Just out digging a little.
What about a strong 72?
Yeah, try it. I got an 88 here. It's probably a penny. I'll keep you with me. Probably a penny. One more stab and it should be out. Oh, that's all. Unfortunately, you'll find a lot of these too. Oops. Okay, found something old here. It's an old knife. Might be bone actually. Well, I don't know what this is. Battery? I got 5 pennies in the same hole. We're definitely in a dump here.
Oh yeah.
I don't think I found gold, but
I'm finding it.
I might just have found gold. I can't see if it's plated.
Looks gold to me. That's gold. Let me see. What did it come up as?
75. You think it's gold?
Well,
No, it's probably plated, ain't it?
plated.
It could be plated gold,
But I think that's military.
yeah.
I think that's side.
I gotta try and brush it.
Fine,
I thought it was a pull tab. Let's see what it is now. Whoops. That's probably.
Something for the display cabinet.
Yeah, I don't know. I gotta figure out. Now I got something to investigate because I don't know what it is. Oh, there was more.
Just like Westfield hockey.
Yeah, it is. So there's no hallmark on this, and it's probably not gold. Well, it could be plated gold, I guess. Pretty cool. I think we're in a dump here. Pair of scissors. So I got probably gold plating in one hole and scissors in the other. That's actually kind of funny. Quarter. Look like something more from a jewelry thing. 1977 quarter. Not a penny. Chroma, they will sound good every time. Piece of lead. Dime. 70s.
It's down deep.
Coke button. Spider web. Spider-Man was in.
Like that.
Dime. This is an old salt lid. So there used to be a church here. I think we're right at it now. Oh, piece of a light. Old medicine. The cellar hole. See that? It's still fairly intact. We're definitely on a, I think we're on a virgin cellar hole.
Yeah.
This is a buckle. Part of a door maybe. So they think it's an old sawmill. He just found a piece of the saw.
I think I found the rest of it.
So this is definitely an old sawmill site. A lot of square nails, like a lot, because this place probably burned down. Yeah, here's another one. Square nails everywhere. They're pretty cool actually. Pretty intact. Look at this thing. Oh,
To clean it up. It probably had handles on it. 2 handles, and you'd pull it.
yeah, see there and there?
That's for pulling.
For bark.
Yep.
That's just as sharp. That's still sharp.
That'd make a nice knife.
Oh yeah. We got. Ooh. Yeah, that's from furniture. Maybe. Yeah, I don't want to bend
Or
it out, but
ceiling
that's
tin?
pretty.
Or the ceiling tin.
That's pretty. Unfortunately, it's getting dark soon. We'll probably be back tomorrow. There's flowers and all kind of stuff on this. All decorative. Oh yeah, old one too. Still got the thing in it though.
I would think people metal detecting would have taken all those. Nice relic.
I found this earlier. It definitely has something on. Butterfly or.
That's cool, man.
Ooh.
Silver? Or
I think so.
aluminum?
No. Oh, no.
Gotta be aluminum, right?
No, I don't think so. I think it's silver.
Solid silver?
Yeah.
Because it would be rusted, right?
No.
Huh?
Not silver.
What?
Silver wouldn't be rusted.
Yeah, but I mean it'd have to be solid silver, right?
I think so.
Okay. Now
I was hoping for a mark.
Hmm?
I think it's silver. I don't see any plating. I'm pretty sure this is maybe solid. Look, cooking kettle. There's so much iron in here. I don't know what this is.